ubuNazaretha kuyafana nokuthi kukithi ngoba njengoba ngisho umama was adopted by umprofeti wakhulela khona wazogana kwaMpanzi esuka kwalokhuza kwaShembe so nginalo lonke ulwazi the only ngeke ngisho ukuthi there's any difference between that time and this time the difference ekhona ukuthi amaNazaretha khona akuseyona lamaNazaretha kaBaba mkhulu uIsaiah Shembe
oh yeah
into eyenza ukuthi ngiyeke ebuhleni is not ukuthi mhlawumbe khona into eyangiphatha kabi kodwa kwathi mhla ka4 kwakuJanuary kumsomluko kwavele ngabona sekuguqe inglosi le nglosi ke yayingasaqala ukufika ngoba yafika kusukela ngo2006
okay
ngabona sekuguqe inglosi phambi kwami yayisithi inglosi ngithunywa ngoShembe ubaba ilanga uthi angikutshele uphume ebuhleni bese umakhela yena ibandla elizokhonza uJehova
sure
leli bandla elizokhonza uJehova uyoliqhuba ngendlela okwakuqhuba ngayo ubaba ezisho umprofeti Isaiah Shembe
yes
wathi yonke imfundiso ubuNazaretha uyoyithola eBhayibhelini naseyihlabelelweni zamaNazaretha together naseyintshumayeleni zakhe umprofeti
yes